The Poo Files.
Pooh Files open.
Who has the most delicious defecations in Aotearoa? Scale insects. They eat all the sugar moving around inside trees, so their turds taste extra sweet, like lollies. Don't eat too many, they'll rot your teeth. Lollies.
Fart facts.
Millipedes. The bigger they are, the bigger their farts are. And they can grow up to 38 centimetres long. Well, that's huge. They also have extremely poor eyesight, so the little ones can't see the big ones coming. Look out, little dude!
Burning the question. Now here's a question only the true connoisseur can answer. What was the first joke ever recorded by man about? Place your bets.
Know your pee.
Male lobsters. Their bladders are in their flaming heads. When they fight, they squirt each other in the face with urine. Say it, don't spray it, you bloomin' weirdos.
Burning the question. What was the first joke ever recorded by man about? It was a fart joke. And it dates all the way back to 1900 BCE. Anyway, I guess you had to be there. Righto, you've had your fun.
Pooh Files closed.